When we created Ultimate Roof, we created a roof repair product that was designed to last for a lifetime. The big difference between Ultimate Roof and everything else in the market is the ability to combine the waterproofing agent, which is the Ultimate Roof material, and fiberglass. And what that does is create a super strong structure that's designed to be able to be beaten with a hammer, you could drive a truck on, and it's flame resistant enough to shoot fire at. All things considering, what that's going to show you is that Ultimate Roof's designed to last for a lifetime. And in this demo, we're going to show you the 3 most common ways that Ultimate Roof can be installed to solve your roof leaks. That's a penetration or a pipe that's going through your roof, a flush mount roof drain, and probably the hardest thing to get watertight in roofing, which is a scupper that goes through a wall. The cool thing is that Ultimate Roof, because it makes the repair seamless, is designed to solidly encapsulate whatever you're trying to waterproof, and it extends from the roof deck all the way down into the drain bowl. And if you can make your repair one seamless piece, it's impossible for it to leak. So for the first time ever when it comes to repairing your roof, you can make a seamless transition from the roof deck all the way down into the drain and make it one seamless piece. The next obstacle when it comes to patching your roof that's really hard to do is pipe flashings. Most of your roof leaks in your buildings are going to be involved with drains and pipes. We just did a drain to show you how it can be done in one seamless piece. But how does it work on pipe flashings? The exact same way. You pull a handful of Ultimate Roof, which is fiberglass and Ultimate Roof material, out of the bucket and make the penetration seamless, tying all the way onto the roof, all the way onto the top of the flashing. And once we install Ultimate Roof material and make it one seamless piece by tying all of it together, it's designed to eliminate roof leaks for a lifetime. And now that we've created a seamless repair that ties the drain all the way into the pipe flashing as one seamless piece, now we can extend it to the entire roof if necessary. It can be installed where you need it, when you need it, and there's no limitations to it. And here's the really cool part about Ultimate Roof. It's not just limited to flat surfaces. It can go straight up a vertical wall. It can even be installed upside down. In the same way that we tied the pipe penetration and the drain together and made it seamless, it can extend all the way to the top of the parapet wall and all the way to the outside edge of the scupper. And that's how we make a roof one seamless piece, from the top of the wall to the bottom of the drain. And once we've made the scupper seamless with Ultimate Roof, now we can continue all the way up the parapet wall to the outside edge, and if it's one seamless piece, it's impossible for it to leak. And because Ultimate Roof is made with water-based materials, if you want to finish it and make it look pristine and perfect, all you need is a spray bottle or a bottle of water, put a little bit of water on the surface, and finish it. Just run your hand across it, make it smooth, almost like you're using your hand to finish concrete. And it'll become smooth and uniform, and you can mold it to whatever way that it wants. It's also good for if the water starts to evaporate out of the material and it starts to dry, just give it a shot of water and it becomes malleable for about an hour. So what could be easier than installing a product that's designed to last for a lifetime that you can do yourself with a rubber glove, and once you install it, you never have to touch it again. And that's what you get from a bucket of Ultimate Roof.